What is up, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video here. We are going to continue today the toolbox trend, whatever you want to call it, of all the tools that I've got and whatever. So we finally got the mats in, and I already kind of started here a little bit, give you an idea what we're doing. So these are brand new, so they're nice and sticky. This stuff doesn't move and the mats don't slide around. We still have more stuff to put in here, as you can see. And we got all this stuff over here, but I had to order a bunch more of these socket holders. We don't even have all the 12-point stuff set up yet. So the 12-point stuff's gonna go right here. It's literally just another one of both of these trays here. What else? So since the last video, we got some new stuff in. We got these Bondus, Allen, and Torx key sets. So we have Torx in the green, metric in red, standard in yellow. And then, so they came with these nice holders. These sets were very reasonably priced. I think all three of these with these holders was right around $100 or something. Not bad at all. And then what I did, as you can see here, let me set these down. So I got these magnets off Amazon. You can see they're screwed in just with like a little machine screw. And I double side taped them on there. They have double side tape, and then I just screwed them in for the extra support. But these are actually meant for like a pistol to put like under a desk or whatever, and they're rated for like 35 pounds or something ridiculous. So they work really good, but I didn't want to have these permanent. Like I was gonna just double side tape them, but with this, you stick them on there and you're done. You can put them wherever you want on the sides, and then when if you're using them, you take them off and you set them up here. So that worked really well. I don't think I've gotten too much new stuff since the last video. I did get these. I got a mini set of Nip-X Cobras and the crescent wrench style, whatever you call them. I did get some pen lights. I got this Streamlight rechargeable pen light, nice and small, and then I got another Milwaukee pen light, which I love these because they have the rubber end here, so you can bite it with your teeth. You wouldn't believe how many times you actually will do that once you have it. It's very nice. So yeah, we're gonna work on start on this drawer, which is gonna be all socket wrenches. So we are gonna put all of these wrenches, everything in that drawer, and then I'm gonna try and put my impacts in here as well. So yeah, gonna start with the first drawer, gonna wipe it out again just to be safe, put our mat in, and start organizing. Alright, so we got the first drawer done here. Look at that. All of our ratchets. The two big long extensions, 3/8 stubby, 3/8 mid torque, 1/2 inch big dog impact, and the power ratchet, all in one area. I love it. So we're gonna move on to the next drawer. So I haven't decided what I want to do with this one. I think I'm either going to do like all the wrenches and stuff, which are under here. Either that or pliers. But I think it would make more sense to make it wrenches, so they would be right under all this stuff, So I think that's what I'm going to end up doing, and then do pliers in the next drawer. That's what we're going to go with, I think. Got the second drawer done here with all the wrenches. Tight fit, but we managed to get it all in there. I think I'm alright with it. Tried to keep it as organized as possible. Metric on this side, standard on this side. 2 crescent wrenches there. On to the next one. Alright, so the next drawer here is going to be the plier drawer. And from the last video, I think you guys can judge that that's probably going to be the most complicated one. So I have 4 of these organizers, and I'm probably going to play with just different ways to do this, because I don't really know what the best option is going to be. Like, even example for these, you know, you take a pair of pliers, you could set them like that. You see pictures like this. So and I mean, like, I don't know if I want to line them up across the back or do 2 and 2 this way. So this drawer is gonna probably take a little bit. We're really gonna see what the most efficient way to do this is gonna be. Alright, so got another drawer finished up for now. I mean, I think we're gonna have to add some stuff to this drawer. It's funny how space fills up pretty quick in these things. So I'm thinking maybe if I get like a screwdriver set to put it like here, because the next drawer is gonna be like all hammer and pry bar stuff. Then the next one's gonna be power tools, and then that bottom one, I think I'm gonna have to put like this stuff in and just like extra bulky stuff. So it's filling up quick, but we're gonna move on to the next drawer here. Alright, so another drawer done here. Not completely happy with how this one came out, but I can't figure out a better way to organize it. But we got our chisels there, all of our pry bars, the long lang punches, center punch, sledge, dead blows. So I mean, I fit everything in there as best I could. So we're gonna move on to the next drawer, which is gonna be mostly all my Milwaukee power tool stuff. I brought it home from Mark's to try and fit it all in here. So that's gonna be the next drawer. Got the power tool drawer done. Still wasn't able to fit everything, so basically what we're gonna do is the bottom drawer is gonna be just like all of the overflow stuff. I completely forgot about my grinder hanging on the wall. All of this extra lang stuff. So yeah, we're gonna see how we can make this drawer nice and roomy. All right, so we wrapped up the last drawer here. This drawer is a a mess as far as I'm concerned. It's literally just kind of all the extra stuff that I'd like to have in here for right now. But I mean, this is temporary because once we get a shop and we, get another like set toolbox like somewhere, a lot of this kind of nonsense can go in there. This is kind of just like the overflow drawer. But I mean, as far as all the other drawers, everything came out really nice. I'm very happy with it. This one's so-so. But like all these other ones, I'm really happy with all these. Everything looks really good. I did mess with this drawer again, got it a little bit different. But yeah, overall very happy with everything. Still got to wait for the rest of the socket stuff to come in, and then we can get the rest of this stuff in there, this here, and get the 12-point stuff in there. But for right now, that's about it. So again, real happy with how it came out. We have some more stuff, some more shelves and stuff coming for on the side of it. But I mean, that's the beauty of these things, is they're steel, so you can use the outside of them, stick just about anything you want on the outside of them with a magnet. That works great. So with that being said, guys, I'm gonna wrap up this video here. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you guys enjoyed seeing me put the toolbox together. Maybe it'll give you guys some ideas on how to organize and everything. I'm an OCD freak, so yeah, organization's like top priority for me. And yeah, like I said, some of those drawers could be a little bit better, but for now, we're just gonna roll with it until we get into the place and get all settled in and everything. But again, thanks for watching. I really appreciate all your support to the channel. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to the channel. We will catch you on the next one.